Yo, what's Gucci everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on the channel. I appreciate you guys for stopping by for another video. If you guys aren't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys enjoy content like this every Sunday at 11 a.m., hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Let's try and get this video up to 50 likes and maybe 10 comments, 15 comments. It would be greatly appreciated. This video is going to be kind of like a little discussion just to talk to you guys what I've been investing in and kind of hoping that things go up in price as time goes by. The main topic we're going to be talking about is the Travis Scott Kid Cudi Fortnite drop, I guess you can say. I feel like a couple of the items on there will go up in value as time passes, and I'm going to give you guys my personal opinion, what prices are at right now, and if it was worth the cop or drop. Just kind of give you guys a little discussion. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and sit back, relax, and let's just... So I'm sure you guys know this and you guys have seen it all over Twitter and Instagram. If you guys haven't seen it, then you're probably living under a rock. But Travis Scott and Fortnite did a whole collaboration thing, and they dropped a couple of skins on Fortnite, and then he dropped like 7 days of Fortnite Travis Scott merch. He dropped merch every day, and it recently just ended like last week. But as far as everything goes, I did cop a couple of items. I ended up spending about like $250 after shipping and taxes on a handful of items, and I'm gonna give you guys a reason why I purchased it. So the first 3 items I purchased were all 12-inch vinyls. There was a pink one, red one, and a Volt green one. And the reason why I purchased those is because Cause helped design the cover page of that. It says The Scotts, and it's like a Cause figurine thing. You have the Cause logo or eyes on the characters and stuff like that. But the reason why I purchased that is because Cause items seem to go up in time, and Travis Scott items seem to do the same. You guys have seen it with all his sneakers, all his merch. The older the merch, the better the prices are, I guess you can say. So I feel like with due time, all the vinyls are gonna go up in price. They were only $15, and I could probably sell them for like $50 each down the road. And I know it's like small profits, but honestly, small profits do add up, and that's why I do the whole web store thing, because things add up, dude. Money adds up. If it's a penny of profit, if it's $1 of profit, if you do that however many times, money's money, bro. So that's the reason why I copped the vinyls, just because I feel like they will go up in time, with it being Cause, Travis Scott, all that good stuff. So the next items kind of caught me off guard as far as the prices that were listed on StockX and what they sold for. But I did buy 4 each or 2 each of the Cactus Jack logo thumbsticks. You guys can put it on top of your controller. I'm not too sure if you guys saw it, but I'll pop everything up on the screen right now. But I did buy 2 of the orange ones, which were the Xbox ones, and then 2 of the blue ones, which were the PS4 ones, and they came out to $30 each, I guess you can say, or $30 for both. Sorry, it was $15 each. And the reason why I purchased those was because they were listed for like $400 on StockX, and I know that's really ridiculous, but I know a couple of them sold for $60, so you're probably making a small profit on those as well. But I feel like in time, as like they get used, more people are gonna want newer ones. So who knows, like these little things can be worth $400 down the road. Who knows? I just took the gamble on it. $30 or $60 wasn't gonna hurt my pocket at the time, so I went ahead and copped 2 of those of each color. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'm not too sure whether it's an L or a win, but like I said, small profits are small profits, and whatever helps me, you know, make more money than I'm glad. And the last item that I purchased during this whole Travis Scott Fortnite thing was the Cactus Jack Fortnite 12-inch action figures. And the reason why I did that was because the rodeo action figures from 2015, I believe, are selling for like $1,200 now. I'm not too sure what they retailed for, but the duo action figure set was $75, about $100 after shipping, or like $92 after shipping and taxes. But I feel like that will go up in time as far as how the action figures did with the rodeo pair, with the single action figure, and I'll pop up pictures like I said. But as far as pricing goes, Travis Scott just seems to be growing from here on out. Who knows, maybe. So as I was editing this video, I forgot to film an outro, so I just wanted to thank everyone who watched to the end of this video. If you did, go ahead and comment Cactus Jack down below, just so I know you watched to the end of this video. It does mean a lot to me. I mainly filmed this just to start a little conversation, I guess, a little discussion. So if you guys do comment, let's, you know, chat it up down in the comment box down below. Leave a like as well. Let's try to get this video up to 40 likes and 15 comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. You all have a good one. Peace. So for those who actually stick around to this last clip, it does mean the world to me. So go ahead, like I said, comment Cactus Jack. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. My girlfriend and I will probably do a Q&A pretty soon. We're just trying to think of video ideas, so if you guys have any video ideas, comment down below as well. And yeah, hopefully you guys are staying safe, staying clean, all that good stuff, staying safe in quarantine. So a couple of you guys have commented, I think one of you guys, his name is Alex. So Alex, if you're watching this, I appreciate you. And he's always said to stream my gaming. I guess I always post me gaming and stuff like that. So I'm gonna throw in a little clip of me playing Fortnite with the Travis Scott skin, just because we're on the topic of, you know, Fortnite, Travis Scott, all that good stuff. So enjoy this Xbox clip. If you guys want to see more clips, let me know. And yeah, we'll just throw it in at the end, I guess. So, peace.